Now, any sentence we enter in this text input, when the press to send button is clicked, it needs to be read correctly. Let's create that section now. For that, I drag the on event block under UI controls like this. Now click on this arrow and select press to send. Now I drag the play speech block. Now drag the get text block like this. After clicking this little arrow, I selected text input 1. Now again, I drag the get text block like this. Here I selected option because the name of our drop-down is option. Now click the run button. Click each of these buttons and see if they are pronounced correctly.
Apple, banana, cat, dog, elephant, goose,
horse, jungle, quiz, nephew, rough, kite. Hello DP Coding School.
Hello DP Coding School.
If you made the design in this way, you little ones are very talented. Send your designs to me on WhatsApp to note 7681252244. Tell your friends also about the design you made today. Check out this app to send to me as well as to send your friends. And one more thing, join the DP Coding School Telegram group. Try to be the DP Code Champ Best of the Week every week. Stay tuned. See you with another interesting lesson through DP Coding School. Have a nice day.